Here it goes.
Hey guys.
Oliver and Owens,
The
6.5 months.
The meeting of the cousins.
Say hi, Oliver. Look up.
Hey. Hey.
Max, can you pull her? Can you pull her up? Yeah, this is gonna be a blockbuster hit.
Gotta give it time, right?
You do have to give these things take time.
They're like lost interest in one another.
Oh, there we go. Hi, Owen.
Oh, there's one with Daisy.
Merry Christmas. 2006, yeah. Are you guys on the naughty list or the nice list?
You wanna look?
Sure.
You pan around and get their face. Yeah. Whoop! Good sport.
No.
We may have to do some editing. No, this is what makes it sweet.
I wonder what's going
Like they're
through
in
their little
love.
heads.
You're gonna talk to Oliver? Oliver's talking to you. He's talking to you.
Oliver was born in Newton?
Which town? Which town? Wesley.
Oh, he was talking about
Yeah.